Hey guys, Jim Sherry from Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram here in Piqua, Ohio. Also, if you're on YouTube, our YouTube channel is Sherry 4x4, where we do try to feature most, if not all, of our 4x4 product as far as stuff that we have lifted, modified from the manufacturer to give it that wow factor. Today we are going to demonstrate and do a short walk around on a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. This particular vehicle we sent out to Rocky Ridge, had some mods done to it from Rocky Ridge, and I'll kind of do a walk around. We'll go through those mods. We'll start on the front here. For the front, what we did is we took off the factory bumper and added a Fab 4 steel bumper and painted it to match the exterior color of the Jeep. On the side of the bumper, you see the rigid cube lighting on both sides, and also in the center of the bumper, that's a 30-inch LED light bar. Right on that, you obviously have your red tow hooks. Hopefully you don't have to use them, but they're there if need be. For our wheel and tire combo, we added a 17-inch halo rim with a 37 Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tire. These tires are really nice tires. Gives you plenty of the off-road capability that's needed if you are taking it off-road, but at the same time, when you are driving down the road or on the highway, you don't have that overwhelmingly loud noise from the tire. As far as the step-up bar, we did put an aftermarket step-up bar, something a little more sturdy. It's a Predator step-up bar, very nice, lightweight, but there again, it definitely can hold up to 500 pounds at one time. Since this is a sport, there is some stuff that we've done to the exterior of this particular Gladiator to make it more monochromatic, due to the fact that when you order one from the factory, you cannot get painted flares in the rear or in the front, so we actually had those painted. Another item that we painted, due to the fact that Chrysler does not offer a painted hardtop on the Sport, so we had the black factory hardtop painted to match the exterior color on the Sport. On the back of the vehicle, there's only one thing we did, is we left the factory bumper the way it is, but we did paint it to make it monochromatic with the rest of the vehicle. So it comes black from the factory, but we went ahead and painted it. This particular vehicle does have the tow package on it. You'll get your hitch down there, and then you also get your 7 and 4 pin wiring. This vehicle does have a 3.5-inch lift kit on it. As far as the inside, it's pretty standard from the factory. We didn't do actually any modifications to the inside. This is a cloth interior Jeep, but it does have some really good features that comes along with that cloth interior. We did go ahead and add the connectivity group. That's going to give you your universal garage door openers, so you can program your garage door openers straight into the vehicle, so you no longer have to carry your garage opener. It does have hands-free capability with your cell phone. These buttons right here, you can operate your cell phone through the radio, so you no longer have to reach for it and try to pick it up while going down the road. Your cruise control is on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. This is your touchscreen radio. You have XM radio, obviously AM, FM. You can also go to climate settings, so you can set your climates. It has dual settings, so you can set his and hers on both sides of the vehicle. Set one at one temperature and then the other at the other temperature. Has a lot of apps in here where you can click and show your backup camera. There's all kind of controls. You can set it on your settings with your medias, your compass, all kinds of stuff that are actually in this radio. This vehicle is equipped with heated seats, heated steering wheel, so it does have that. Hill descent, power windows, power locks. As you can see, it does have media outlets, your auxiliary switches, your USBs. Your auxiliary switches are down here. One of them will operate your front lights. So that 30-inch light bar that's on the front of the vehicle is wired directly into one of the auxiliary switches, so that makes it nice. And with this 3-piece hardtop, you get 3 sections. So you can pop off just the driver's side, or just the passenger side, or you can pop just both of these out. They weigh 20 pounds a piece, so one person is very capable of taking them out by themselves. But now through the back of the hardtop, which would be basically everything from the back seat to the back window, is a little heavier, and maybe not so much that one person could probably pick it up. It's just a little awkward, obviously, due to the width of the top. So that will take 2 people to get off, but you can take it off as well as your doors. So you can take off your 2 front pieces in your hardtop, your rear piece of the hardtop, and the doors, and you would have your basically a convertible. Again, this is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport that we here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, we sent it down to Rocky Ridge, had what we call a K2 package on it. What's all in that K2 package? We kind of did the walk around and kind of showed you. Just kind of go over a couple things. It's 3.5-inch lift, 17-inch rim wrapped in a 37 Mickey Thompson Baja tire. We put a brand new front bumper on it, put some LED lights up front, some LED cube lights also, painted the hardtop, painted the fenders, put new running boards on the side, and that's what basically comes in our K2 package. We are one of the largest Jeep Gladiator Jeep dealers for Rocky Ridge and the country. We do ship nationwide. So if you are in California, we're in Ohio, but if you're in California, not a problem. We actually ship them out there frequently. So we can put it on a truck for you, or we can have it arranged, or we can send a driver actually and drive it to your front door. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 937-778-0830. If you're on YouTube watching this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment down below on stuff you'd like to see on future builds, and we'll definitely take it in consideration on our next one.